Bitcoin just broke through to a brand new all-time high. The price surged to nearly $111,000, beating the previous record set earlier this year. It's been holding above the $100,000 milestone since May 9th. And in the past 30 days alone, Bitcoin has climbed more than 24%. So what's fueling this historic rally? A mix of catalysts is driving the latest breakout. We're seeing inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, major corporate investments, supportive regulatory news, and geopolitical relief, all hitting at the same time. One of the biggest drivers is demand from both institutional investors and large corporations. Since May 14th, spot Bitcoin ETFs have brought in nearly $1.7 billion in net inflows. On top of that, companies like Strategy and Metaplanet made massive Bitcoin purchases. Strategy picked up 7,390 Bitcoin for over $760 million, while Metaplanet added 1,004 coins to its treasury for about $108 million. Regulation is also playing a major role. The U.S. Senate just advanced the Genius Act, a bill aimed at regulating stablecoins. It requires issuers to back tokens with real reserves and gives priority to holders if things go wrong. It also brings in anti-money laundering and anti-terror finance protections. This adds a layer of credibility to the crypto market, which investors see as a green light for more capital allocation. Geopolitics have also helped ease market fears. On May 12th, the US and China announced a temporary trade deal. It includes a 90-day pause on import tariffs, cooling off economic tensions. This improved the risk outlook and helped push Bitcoin even higher. And globally, there's also a sense of progress. Talks between Russia and Ukraine have resumed, and President Trump has publicly supported a ceasefire following discussions with President Putin. Now that Bitcoin has reached uncharted territory, everyone wants to know, what's next? CoinCodex's algorithmic forecast predicts Bitcoin could reach around $180,000 by 2025, and some big institutions are even more bullish. Standard Chartered has doubled down on its call for Bitcoin to hit $500,000 by 2029. They point to growing government exposure through institutional investments, including from the Swiss National Bank and Korean pension funds. Others are going even further. Arthur Hayes and Adam Back are both aiming for the $1 million mark by 2028. Hayes sees weakening faith in U.S. treasuries and a possible return of capital controls under a second Trump term. Back sees ETF growth and clear regulation as key catalysts. So, can Bitcoin keep climbing? That's the question.